What's good, everyone? This is Chris Haith, and we are at 2612 East Wind Rim Court in Elk Grove, and we're right by the Laguna area. So the Laguna Lake is like right over there, over yonder, and we are technically located in the Laguna West, and the Laguna West has the homeowners association, which is like $67 per quarter. So it's not bad at all. Yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you this house. Just had an open house for it. Definitely actually everyone liked it when they walked in. And this is currently like 3,400 square feet. Well, excuse me, a little under 3,500 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Lego. Ooh. And everything's been completely renovated. You'll see when you walk in. All right, but look at the ceiling though. Super high up there. Man. All right, let's go. This is the living room right here. We got the couch with the 2 accent chairs, looking lovely. And then this isn't wood, this is laminate tile, which is really good. That's everything right there. Let's go back out. Oh. Now we see with the other living room, that's probably the family room, that's probably the living room. And got another fireplace open. Once again, super high ceilings. With the nice light fixtures. And then we also got definitely some nice staging with the L-shaped couch. The 2 lanes right there. And if you notice, these windows are super huge. So you have a lot of natural sunlight. And then all of these are screen doors right here. You can open up all 3 of them. Like even with that, if you want some fresh air, come in. All right. Let's take you over to the kitchen. I love this countertop though. This countertop is so lit. I love it. And I've always loved to having a sink on either the edge of the counter, like this one right here, or on an island. So either way, this works for me. I love it a lot. It's just you get to see everybody when you're, cleaning and preparing some food for the fam, for the fam. And I'm showing you for the rest of the kitchen. And the crazy thing is, like, this kitchen is so open. So it's like kitchen room, dining room, right over there, or you call it breakfast nook. It's a huge breakfast nook, but yeah, it's super open. And also, what I do like, don't let me forget, the stainless steel appliances, right there. Ooh, go ooh, right here, super lovely. And just slide over. There you go. On the other stainless steel appliances. Right. I'm trying to open this real quick so you can see. I can't get it on. Okay. Couldn't get that one, but it's all good. So you got 2 sinks in here, which is amazing. And then now we've got, I think it's like the mini subway tile backsplash. That's what I'm thinking with the white countertops. Well, actually not white countertops, but white cabinets. And you got your quartz granite countertop. There we go. For the tile floors. Definitely nice looks. Definitely nice light fixtures, excuse me. Got a couple paintings up. Looking debonair. I have no idea what that word means, but yeah. It's nice though, it's definitely nice. I'll take you out in the back. Man, I just love this big old island though, man. It's just so clean. Man, let's go outside real quick. And this is currently sitting on 1/5 of an acre. So you do got some backyard. Let's see. I'm going all the way around, coming down. Ooh, get some roses for that certain someone. Come back. If this camera will let me. Bow. A couple palm trees right there. Just like, just gotta get cleaned up just a little bit, but we got it. Let's go back inside. You definitely, whoa, hold up, pause. You definitely put a couple grills out here, patio chairs, tables, and just kick off the summer real nice. Really nice. Let's go back inside. Come on. Back to this major kitchen. I just destroyed my shoulder right there. How close is this? All right. So now we're gonna go left into the hallway. Oh, you got your Harry Potter entrance right there. For some storage. There you go. Close that back. All right. Now right over here, you got your downstairs laundry room. With some storage here for you. And then you also got a sink. Look at that. Look at that. All right, come on. And then now, to be completely honest with you, I'm not sure why this is here on the staircase. But you could have some more storage. I was thinking if you maybe it closed pretty much most of this up and then extended this all the way to here for all the storage. That would have been dope, but look, I do like the countertop, so I'm rocking with it. And now this is the formal dining room. Ultra nice. What's up, squad? I'll come back around so you can see the entire thing. Ooh, come on. Ooh. All right. So get that. All right, let's check out the downstairs bedroom and downstairs bathroom. Before we do that, you see the 3-car garage right here. I'm turning. Just so you can tell, that's a 3-car garage. You see that right there. All right. Let's skedaddle. All right, come on. All right, so this is a half bathroom down here. Definitely nice. I love that they painted the walls a neutral color. But not like the normal neutral color, like a off-white, beige. You know, with a slight gray. New sink fixtures. Oh. What up? All right. And then we have the downstairs bedroom. Fit for a king or a queen, or both. Look at that. It's so symmetrical. Well, except for the pillows. Don't worry about the pillows. But yeah, it's so symmetrical right here. And then you've got your light fixtures up in there. Then you have your ceiling fan along with those lights. Pretty big closet. Right there. And then you have your own bathroom. Full bath, actually, too. Got the stainless steel frame. Oh, okay. And you got the 2 mirrors, 2-mirror action. Look at that. Oh, clean. You do have a window too, so you can always check that out. You might need a curtain or something, but yeah. But look how they redid the shower though. Man, I like this. Look at this, stainless steel shower heads. Goodness. this one. All right, come on. All right. So that was a downstairs bedroom and full bath. So 1/2 bath down here and 1 full bath down here. All right, and we're gonna go upstairs. Let's go. You might hear my feet a lot, but it's okay. And then so the stairs are actually 2 ways. So you go through the kitchen and then through, come on, and through the entrance. And you come up here. Let's check out your other bedroom. Nice. Same thing. And then you have your closet. Let's see, right there. I wouldn't mind this room at all. And then to your slight left, you got the other bathroom, Jack and Jill sinks. Look at that. Nice big old mirror with a little side mirror. Store some meds or whatever have you. And same thing, you know, they updated. Sorry, I'm a little tired. But yeah, they updated the shower and as well as the shower head, so stainless steel. And I think this is stone tile. I'm not really sure, but it's tile. But I'm not sure what kind of tile. But it looks really, really nice, super clean. You got your second bedroom, which is equally nice. Bow. And what I do like about the renovation is that they took their time and they put in new fixtures. Like even the door handles, they put new door handles on them. Which I like a lot. All right, let's go down the hallway to the master. Wait. Before we go there, look at all this. Look at all this. Wouldn't you feel like a king or a queen right here? Yes. Bow to me. Yes. No. But yeah. All right, let's go. All right, so this is actually the master in its entirety. So if you go left, you separated it. That's like a little lounge area, as you can see. And we'll go around so you can see the entire thing. I'm gonna pop a squat. Yeah. Come on, camera. There you go. So right here, you got your fireplace, and then you have a little bit of wall. And you can put your TV on top of there. Or you have like, someone came by today, he was saying that you can put double TV, so 2 flat screens on each side facing the opposite way. Which would be pretty clean. And you see, I think you could use that for, maybe a little wet bar. Maybe. Closet right there. You know, 2 accent chairs right here. Put your foot up right there. And then now you come on this side. You got the rest of the master. Boom. All these windows, so much sunlight. Don't have to worry about that at all. With another fireplace. You could put your TV right there, but I mean, nowadays it is. We get the flat screen, so I don't know. You can put like a maybe not a nightstand, but I don't know. Maybe some storage or something. But I do like that they have all these windows here. They have palm trees. Cali living for real. Lost neighbor, I don't know about that. Okay. But yeah, man. Super nice. I'm gonna try to get down to the corner so you can see it. Like, there you go. And what I do like is the house does not have carpet in it at all. I don't mind carpet in the bedrooms, but definitely not in a kitchen or bathroom or main areas, because that's just so much foot traffic. And this is the master suite. Ooh. Yeah, bathroom right there. Shower right there. Stainless steel fixtures. Oh, look at that bathtub. Especially when you have especially when you have like a long day. Excuse me. Just get in there, relax. Let the world know that they will not get to you today. Definitely like all the light fixtures in here. Like they did such an amazing job with renovating this place. Oh yeah, take your time right here. Get that mirror out. Put the makeup on. You taking on the world. All right. This is the closet, which is pretty. I mean, I can't even show you how big it is. I can try to get to a corner so you can see just how big it is. Like all this space in a closet. Okay. When you start getting old, the knees, you can't go down that much anymore. Man, this is the rest of the bathroom. And another bathroom. Whoa, they got two of them. Well, I forgot. Whoa. Okay, so they got his toilet and sink. And then come back. And you got her sink and, prep area. And toilet, come on. Give me on there, There you go. So, wow, so there's two of them. I didn't even realize that. So technically, there's 5 bathrooms. So what, two half baths and 3 full bathrooms? Yeah. So that is it for us. Definitely let me know what you think about this place, because I definitely like it a lot. Only thing is, I just don't know what I could do with all of this space when it's just me and Lil Man. But yeah. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. I don't know what else I should say. Tune in next time to Dragon Ball Z.